so we got raspberry iced fingers.
What?
You can see, look at this fluffy goodness. Oh my.
They're good.
Where did you get that?
We
They
went to the store
store.
this morning.
And then we got scones. We got Cornish clotted cream scones. And then
Cola!
right there we got our clotted cream and Shayla's cola.
We got a pizza too.
Oh, I get to try one?
I'm trying to clean here.
I know, I'm sorry. We're picking out and you're cleaning. Was it good?
Jelly filled.
Oh, it's jelly filled?
Jammy filled.
Ooh,
Jam
yum.
filled.
Okay, so today we went grocery shopping. Well, actually, we went sightseeing. We picked up groceries. So we got some cheeses. We're going to have a Yorkshire tea tomorrow. So we're going to try some of those. This is English bacon. So it's more like ham, but we wanted to give it a try, see what it's like. Some yogurt, cottage cheese. Got a little bit of allergy medicine there. Dave loves mints. These were $6 for a pound, so I got those. Milka. My very first European chocolate I got over 35 years ago. 30 years ago. Something. I absolutely loved it. Wanted to try this rice pudding. Looked pretty good. I love rice pudding. Got some scones. We're going through the scones like really a lot. Shampoo, some biscuits for me, apples, potatoes, and we tried some spongies. They're like a Twinkie, but not a Twinkie, but they're really good. So that's what we got today. Okay, so we see this everywhere and we really wanted to try it. I didn't think it was that great. What do you think, Ellie? Ellie was just eh. Okay, Shayla, you're the taste tester. Official.
Raspberry donut in my mouth too. It's bland.
Doesn't really have any flavor. I need some cinnamon and sugar and I guess
Sweet. Sugar it up.
Okay, so here's the cottage cheese. So let me try a little. Ooh, it's thick. Okay. I mean, this is not like our cottage cheese. Our cottage cheese is more curdy. Okay, here we go. Oh, that is good.
What's up?
Holy cow. Oh, that's really good. Okay, the cottage cheese is a definite yes. It's certainly creamy. Look at that creamy goodness.
We're family, right? We can double dip.
Okay. Here.
I'm not normally a fan of cottage cheese.
That's good. They have more cream in it.
That's really good.
Should we try the yogurt?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's try the yogurt.
It's pineapple cottage cheese. Is it? Oh, it is.
Yeah, it's pineapple. Oh my. Oh, that's the yogurt.
Not really.
Not sure about the color of the yogurt. Okay. Wait, official taste tester.
Oh, that's good yogurt.
Uh-oh. Okay, here I go. Okay, I'm dipping in. All you germaphobes
That's
out
good.
there, this is helping you with your issues. All you germaphobes. Okay, here we go. Oh, yum. Holy cow.
Dairy here, period.
So I think
Because it's creamier?
their dairy is a whole lot better here. I think they leave more cream in, and I think it's a different grass that the cows are eating. But I have to say the food is a whole lot better here.
Very good.
Okay, today's taste test is. So now we're testing Red Leicester. Okay, let's see. Here we go. I'm getting half. There's your half, Shayla. Or not.
There's my half. There's my
Okay,
half.
there's your half. Okay, here we go.
It's like a sharp American cheddar.
Yeah, but I like it better. It's got a different flavor to
You
it.
think so?
I like it better.
That's really good.
That's really
Wow.
good. Yeah. Okay, Brits, everything but the rice pudding, I would say we love. Yep, very good.
Action.
You want to try some? Okay. But I don't know what it is. What is it? What was it called? Not a sultan. Oh,
It looks like an orange.
It
looks like an
Sultamra.
I don't know. I should
It
have
looks
a
like an
picture.
orange.
It looks like an orange.
Does it say on the tag?
No, it doesn't. We'll let Jack be the first taste tester.
He's the orange connoisseur.
Up.
Oh, it's burned me in the eye.
Okay, it takes a minute. But once you get past the first initial shock of, oh, actually, that's really good.
Really good.
That's really good.
You're skin your breath.
It's good.
Mandarin orange.
Can I have like a half?
Has the flavor of a mandarin.
Yeah, it tastes like a mandarin.
It's like a mandarin orange, but not quite.
Can I have half?
Something slightly different, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Tastes really good.
Yum, yum. Taste tested approved.
Yep. Okay, so if you want to drink water, you ask for tap water here.
Yes.
Not,
Yes. Did you?
Oh, I did
What's-
say tap water.
yes.
Didn't I?
So what do they call it otherwise?
Yeah.
Is it bottled water?
Bottled water, yeah. Mineral water.
Or fizzy water?
yeah.
Or still water?
Sparkling.
Still water.
Or still.
So just ask for tap water and they'll give you tap water.
Yeah.
And it's drinkable.
Bottled water is expensive, isn't it?
Isn't
Isn't that a cute bottle?
Yes.
Shannon and I were both thinking the same thing. I don't know.
So you take a picture of it?
And then there's Shayla. Oh, Shayla, we're at a proper tea house and you're drinking a Coke.
Cheers.
Did you not hear a gun Coke? I'm only kidding. You have what you want.
Oh, I know.
These are
So, Crystal, our wonderful viewer that we stayed with, got me these. And I want to show you guys what it is. So it's gluten-free, dairy-free rice noodles. So you take your noodles and you pour your water up to the line. I think this is kind of like ramen noodles. I did not get a chance to test them while I was at her house, so I'm testing them now. Okay, then we're going to pack it on. Okay, here's the seasoning packet. Ooh, that looks yummy. This was so nice. Crystal got me a nice little collection of gluten-free foods. They have all been delicious. Looking yummy. Okay, so we're going to let it sit for just a few minutes.
Okay, I don't know how people do this with chopsticks. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Okay, if you're gluten-free, dairy-free in the U.S., Illumini. A gluten-free world of flavor. Yum. Those are delish. Now I'm off to eat my lunch.
Okay.
Which one is which?
So I found a steak and kidney pie. I'm gonna give it a try. This is like as British as it gets.
What do you say, 619?
Hold on.
I'm holding on. This is gonna be blooper reel footage. What's she? Wow. Is that the beef cake? Or the steak cake?
Steak and kidney pie.
Disgusting.
Okay. Is this good lighting or the kitchen's here? Let's
Yeah,
go to
it's-
the kitchen.
Come here. Stand up against that wall or something.
Can you see it? Here. We'll do it like this.
Don't hold it next to the window because.
Better?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so this is what steak and kidney pie looks like. Can you see the contents of that yummy goodness,
Let me
Dave?
get a close up. Ooh.
Does that look delicious?
Not to me, but I don't care.
It doesn't look delicious to you?
Not really. It's steak and kidney pie, but okay.
Okay, so this is a famous traditional English dish that I hear about all the time, people talking about. So let's see what it tastes like. Okay, we ready? Wow, it's really hot. I don't want to burn the hide off of my taste buds and then I can't taste it. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, that is delicious. Of course, as typical England, it does need more salt, but that is really good.
Wait, but this is Scottish, right?
This is from England.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Steak and kidney pie. It's delish.